In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Trust Badges, Bear Shopify app. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the Settings area and click on Apps. This is where you can manage the tools and integrations connected to your store. From here, you will want to open the Shopify App Store so you can find the app you need. In the Shopify App Store search bar, type Trust Badges Bear and select it from the results. Take a moment to confirm that you are choosing the correct app before moving forward. Once you are on the app page, click Install App. Shopify may ask you to approve certain permissions. Review those permissions and approve them so the app can be added to your store properly. After installation is complete, open the app directly from your Shopify dashboard. This will take you into the Trust Badges Bear interface, where you can begin setting up the badges that will appear on your store. The layout is designed to be simple, so it should be easy to follow as you move through the setup. Next, click the Select Badges button. You will now see a list of badge options, including payment processor icons and security logos. Check the boxes next to the badges you want to display. Choose the ones that best match the payment methods and trust signals you want your customers to see. This can help make your product pages look more reassuring and professional. Once your badges are selected, move to the Customization menu on the left side of the app. Here, you can adjust the header text to match the message you want displayed above the badges. You can also change the alignment, icon spacing, and badge size. These settings help you make the widget fit neatly with your store design. It is a good idea to keep the layout clean and easy to read, so it does not look overcrowded. As you make changes, look over to the live preview panel on the right side of the screen. This preview updates as you edit, which makes it easy to review your design before publishing it. Use this area to make sure the badges are visually balanced and match the overall style of your storefront. When everything looks the way you want, click the Enable or Save button in the top right corner. This activates the widget and applies your badge settings to your store. That covers everything you need to know.